Hello guys, welcome back to the channel over here. So today we are going to learn a new tutorial about CustomTkinter. See, CustomTkinter is a Python UI library, okay, which is based on Tkinter that provides a modern looking app. So this means that if you know Tkinter, so easily you will go along with CustomTkinter because as we said, it is based on Tkinter itself. So you just need to learn some few things, then you are good to go with CustomTkinter. The big difference between CustomTkinter and Tkinter is that the CustomTkinter it provides a modern looking apps, but Tkinter it provides those old style looking apps. So in this tutorial, we are going to build a project that will help us to know more about CustomTkinter so that we can feel comfortable with CustomTkinter. So the one app that we are going to build, which will be this one, that is a stock tracker. So this app is works the following way. See, in this app, it helps us to track the stock of any company. So for example, let's say if you want to track the stock of Google, then we can just choose it from the drop down menu, or else we can enter manual if we know the symbol of it. And then we can choose the currency that we want it to be displayed. For example, we can choose dollar, USD, euro, Japanese, rands, which is South Africa, Kwanza, which is from my country. I am from Angola, so our currency is Kwanza, and Canadian dollar, and so on. So you can just choose this. I will keep as US dollar. Then we can start, we can choose the date that we want to start and the date that we want to end. For example, let me choose, I want to see the stock of Google from 2019. Okay, 2019. We can choose also the months. Okay, there is a lot of months. For example, if I choose 7, okay, 7 2019. Then we can choose also the end date, but I will keep it as this date today itself. So if I click on generate, let me click on generate, it will process, then will show us the stock of Google, okay, since the date that we choose, which is 2019 up to date. So we can see it, okay, this is the numbers, okay, the dollars, okay, price in dollars, and this is the stock of Google. So we can say that there's a huge growth that it happened on stock of food. So apart of that, so we can choose any company that we want, okay, that we can choose from drop down menu. If it is not there in drop down menu, we can just type if we know the symbol. For the Amazon, if I click and generate, we can also see the stock from Amazon. Okay, so as we can see, going like this, then going down, then it grow up, something like that. So this app is very good also. Okay, you can put it on your portfolio for showcase. And yeah, this is what we are going to learn on this tutorial about CustomTkinter in Python. So we learn how to create the buttons, how to create the entries, how to create the labels. So we'll see a lot of stuff and also a lot of good examples along the tutorial. So my name is João. If you want to see this tutorial, okay, you know what to do. Like the video, comment what you want to see, and see you in the next video. Okay, so where we can start the tutorial about CustomTkinter properly. Bye.